You've probably heard people talk about AI transforming industries, but have you ever thought about how you can use AI to create a tax-free retirement strategy? Well, today, I'm diving deep into that topic, and I'll show you how you can harness the power of AI to plan a retirement strategy that keeps your hard-earned money safe from taxes. This is the kind of insight you won't get in those affiliate-laden videos, because I'm not here to pitch you a product, just to share what's actually working. The first thing you need to understand is that AI can drastically simplify the process of retirement planning. Think about it. Traditionally, creating a tax-free retirement strategy has been complicated. You had to consult with financial planners, research a ton of different tax laws, and hope you didn't miss any crucial information. But now, AI has the capability to do all the heavy lifting for you. And the best part is, it can personalize the strategy to your unique financial situation. From predicting future tax rates to selecting the best retirement accounts, AI tools are evolving fast to make it all much easier. What you might not realize is that AI can also help you spot hidden opportunities that you might miss. For example, AI can analyze tax implications of different investment choices in real time, suggesting tweaks that can lower your tax liability. This isn't just a set it and forget it process. It's something that continuously evolves. As tax laws change, AI systems can adjust your strategy on the fly, so you don't have to keep going back to the drawing board. Here's where things get really interesting. There's this one strategy, often overlooked, that AI tools are great at optimizing: Roth conversions. Roth IRAs can give you tax-free withdrawals, but many people don't know when to convert their traditional IRA to a Roth IRA to minimize taxes. AI can analyze your current tax bracket, future expected income, and growth potential of your investments to calculate the optimal time to make that conversion. This could save you thousands in taxes over the years. But it doesn't stop there. Another powerful AI tool is risk assessment. Planning for a tax-free retirement doesn't just mean minimizing taxes. It's about having a strategy that ensures your investments grow without too much risk. AI can model different scenarios based on your age, risk tolerance, and time horizon, giving you a more accurate picture of what your future could look like. If you want to get specific, it can also recommend the best combination of stocks, bonds, and tax-deferred accounts to help you reach your goals. Now here's a critical point that a lot of other videos won't tell you. One of the best ways to keep your retirement strategy tax-free isn't just about what you're doing today, it's about your future plans. AI can help you think long-term by forecasting future income needs, medical expenses, and other major life events that might impact your taxes. Imagine being able to set up your retirement strategy now, but having it dynamically adjust to your future lifestyle. That's the real value of integrating AI into your retirement planning. Before we wrap up, I want to share one final AI strategy that you won't hear many people talking about: AI-driven tax harvesting. This concept is about using AI to identify underperforming investments and selling them to offset your gains. It's a strategy that's been around for a while, but AI can take it to the next level by automating the process and identifying opportunities you might miss. By pairing tax loss harvesting with smart investing, you can reduce your tax burden even further, keeping more money for your retirement. If all of this sounds like a lot to take in, don't worry. There are plenty of AI tools available that can simplify this process for you, without pushing affiliate links or sponsored products. Just solid, unbiased advice that puts your needs first. So if you found value in this, make sure to subscribe. If you want to support content that doesn't have hidden affiliate commissions, subscribe and stay tuned for more valuable, no-strings-attached content.